Hey there, keyboard enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of mechanical keyboards with the Keychron C1, a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance. If you're on the lookout for an affordable mechanical keyboard, stick around, because this might just be the one for you. Here at UK Pro Reviewer, we're big fans of mechanical keyboards for their superior typing experience, and the Keychron C1 is no exception. Priced at just £39.20, this 87-key mechanical keyboard packs a punch without breaking the bank. The Keychron C1 features a 10-keyless TKL design, meaning it doesn't have the right side number pad. This not only gives you more desk space but also keeps the price down by using fewer mechanical switches. The base model of the C1 is simple yet stylish, with a retro-inspired beige color reminiscent of classic keyboards. The keycaps match the aesthetic with a light beige and grey scheme, and an eye-catching red escape key adds a touch of flair. For those who prefer a more modern look, the backlit models sport a sleek black color scheme. While the base model lacks some advanced features, such as backlighting, you can choose from various versions to suit your preferences. The Keychron website offers options with keycap backlighting in white or RGB LEDs, as well as a hot swappable version for those who want to experiment with different key switches. The Keychron C1 comes with Gateron blue, red, or brown switches. Our test model features Gateron browns, a tactile switch similar to Cherry MX browns. The typing experience was responsive and consistent during our tests, with the keys bouncing back confidently with each press. The only minor issue we noticed was some wiggle in the right-hand shift key. However, most other keys felt stable, providing a comfortable typing experience. Plus, the keyboard's angled feet offer 2 levels of steepness for added customization. If you're on a tight budget and looking for a high-quality mechanical keyboard, the Keychron C1 is an excellent choice at just £39.20. While it may lack fancy features like RGB lighting, it delivers a consistent typing experience with a touch of retro charm. If you're willing to splurge on a more premium option, you might consider the drop-entrance mechanical keyboard. But for those seeking an extreme budget mechanical keyboard that doesn't compromise on performance, the Keychron C1 earns our Editor's Choice Award. Thanks for joining us for this review of the Keychron C1. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, UK Pro Reviewer, for more tech reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy typing!